Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. Today we will be talking about probably India's best athlete for this Olympic Games, Paris 2024, because she was phenomenal. She competed in 3 events and guess what? She won in 2 out of those 3 events. And the other best thing is the 2 events in which she won was not even her pet event. Not her favorite event. Who am I talking about? Anybody and everybody in India who has watched Olympics and in fact globally know that I'm talking about none other than our own shooter Manu Bhaker. We know how the whole build-up happened before coming to Paris 2024 because Rev Sports has been speaking to Manu Bhaker since Tokyo 2021. It was supposed to happen in 2020, but the Olympics happened in 2021 where the gun malfunction happened. There were a lot of discussion, there was a lot of trolling saying that probably Manu cannot handle pressure. In fact, in Hangzhou, both Rohan and I were there when Manu Bhaker lost and Esha Singh, won the medal. Again, a lot of people criticizing and talking about her mental capacity of not taking pressure. Was it pressure? What was exactly going wrong? When I had spoken to Manu in one of our Rev Sports exclusive interviews, Manu had actually said that she's trying different techniques to get better. She's trying certain things, looking forward to 2024, and this was in Hangzhou. Comes Paris 2024 and Manu, our first medal. Manu Bhaker and Sarabjot, second medal. She was shooting so well that all of us started expecting her to win the 3rd medal. And by the way, she did not disappoint. She did not win the medal, yes, but she came 4th, which means what an Olympics for her. Rightly so, deservedly so. She is the flag bearer in the closing ceremony for India along with PR Srijesh. Manu Bhaker became the 4th Indian. When she got her 2nd medal, she was the 3rd Indian because Neeraj's event was yet to be completed. But right now, standing as of today, Manu Bhaker, there are 4 Indians who have got 2 Olympic medals. Sushil Kumar, PV Sindhu, Neeraj Chopra, of course, and Manu Bhaker. But Manu Bhaker has got both the medals, unlike the other 3. Again, their events, they can only perform once in Olympics. So I get that. Please don't start discussing that part. But Manu got 2 medals in a single Olympics, which yes, Norman Pritchard has done before. So you can say she's the 2nd Indian. But of course, the first Indian woman to have 2 Olympic medals in one single edition of Olympics. That's fantastic work. We have spoken to Manu over different phases, just before Paris 2024. During Paris 2024 as well, we have, spoken to her. Rev Sports exclusively has spoken to Jaspal Rana, who is Manu's coach and who has also brought this whole positive mindset in Manu. Let's take a look at all these interviews. And stay tuned to Rev Sports because we will keep covering all sports with equal guts.
Well, we have with us Manu Bhaker, who just created history as the first Indian woman shooter to win an Olympic medals. Manu, many congratulations. Just take us through those last moments. How does it feel to be up there on the podium with the Indian flag going up? How was it?
Many thanks, firstly. The feeling was surreal. And I had dreamt of it my whole life, if not whole life, then most of the life. So 8.5 years in my career, and I was like, the moment I got to know about the Olympic Games, I was like, I want to win a medal for India. But definitely the dream is of gold. Although I always have we have more opportunities on the way, maybe like couple of days, maybe like 4 years and 4 years or whatever. Yeah, I'll try my best in all the events. However it turns out to be, I'll just accept however it is. So yes, it has been a dream of mine, and yeah, today I see my dream in my hands.
Absolutely. After that mishap that happened in Tokyo, how difficult was the journey to this podium finish?
After Tokyo, there were two phases that I had. Like one, I was really sad. Second, I was really angry. I was really sad because of how things turned out to be. I was angry because, again, I could have done so much better. I could have won like easily, but that didn't happen. So I was angry, and I was sad. So it's not a good combination. But I kept myself going through 2022. It was difficult for me to keep up and to be confident. So it was difficult for 2023. Like as me and Jaspal started to work together, I think things started to fall in place, and I started to feel more confident. And most like in technical terms, also in normal like everywhere, I felt more confident. So I think that's the major play for this.
So we learned about your spiritual side also. You have mentioned about Bhagavad Gita helping you through this difficult time. So could you please elaborate on that?
Yes. So it's surprising that such an old manuscript, such an old book, it's so relevant even in today's time. And if you take a look at it, deeper look at it, then you will be able to utilize it in your day-to-day life. And it has such good lessons. I was also like, somebody suggested it to me, and I'm giving that forward, that if you get time, or even if you don't get time, take out time and read at least 2 phrases every day. It'll make you feel more down to earth, more confident, and it'll motivate you to do even better in life, however you are doing. Maybe you are in hard times, it'll make it easier for you.
Thoughts on Jaspal Rana sir?
So he revoked the religious side in me, and he was like, you should believe in God. You should have some faith that you have come so far with so much hard work. Okay, but you have come so far, and so less people get this chance. So you should be grateful for that, and you should have faith in that energy, that God or whosoever you believe in. So one thing is that, and secondly, technically he made no sound.
Plans for the next 2 events and overall thoughts on the shooting contingent, because after London 2012 this is the first medal, so was that an added pressure, and what do you think, how many medals can the shooting contingent give this time?
Honestly, I feel like you'll always realize about the records after they are made, or breaking the records also, you will realize after it's broken. So there's always a first time for something, and I'm grateful that this opportunity was passed on me, that I will win the first medal. Starting this Olympic Games and breaking the record for the women's, they could not win the medal, but I dedicate this to all of them who tried their best but could not make it to the podium. This is all for us.
Could you please just give the medal case and just show the medal to the viewers? Thank you so much. And many congratulations.
There's this Eiffel Tower piece on this also.
Yeah.
It's
a special one.
Yeah.
And you deserve this. Congratulations.
Thank you.
हमारे साथ अभी मौजूद है मनु भाकर, फर्स्ट इंडियन एथलीट है जिन्होंने एक ही ओलंपिक्स में 2 मेडल, 3 दिन में 2 मेडल. मनु, नारी शक्ति, मैं नारी शक्ति से आपको कंपेयर करूँ, क्योंकि रियो ओलंपिक्स में भी पहले साक्षी मलिक ने जीता था, टोक्यो में मीराबाई ने, और आपने तो 2 भी एक ही ओलंपिक्स में दिए. कैसा लग रहा है 2 मेडल जीत के?
बहुत खुशी हो रही है सर, और बहुत ब्लेस्ड फील कर रही हूँ कि इतनी सारी दुआएं जो मुझे दी गई हैं वो काम आई हैं, और इतना अच्छा मैं परफॉर्म कर पाई इंडिया के लिए. एक नहीं 2 मेडल मैं जीत चुकी हूँ, और बस यही कोशिश रहती है कि मैं बस जितना अच्छा हो सके उतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करूँ. और इवन ट्रेनिंग में भी हमेशा होता है कि अच्छा करना है, जितनी मेहनत हो सके उतनी मेहनत करनी है ताकि परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी हो. सो गोल मेरा हमेशा से यही रहा है जी.
नारी में इतना क्या है, क्योंकि आज तक किसी ने नहीं जीता है. मनु, वुमेन्स के बारे में कुछ बताइए. आप कैसे कर लेते हैं? आप मल्टी टैलेंटेड हो, आप स्टडीज़ में भी बहुत अच्छी थी, आप डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स भी खेलते थे, अभी 2 मेडल किसी ने नहीं किया, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
सो ऑनेस्टली आई एंजॉय डूइंग एवरीथिंग. सो मुझे घर के काम से लेकर ऑलमोस्ट सब कुछ मुझे आता है, जो भी लाइक प्रेजेंट डे में लेडीज़ जो भी करती हैं. और आई ऑलवेज लव डूइंग एवरीथिंग. एंड जहाँ तक आप बोलते हो कि नारी शक्ति, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अ ह्यूज वर्ड फॉर मी, बिकॉज नारी शक्ति इज़ लक्ष्मी जी और सरस्वती जी और लाइक दुर्गा जी. सो coming to me, I mean, like, thank you so much for appreciative words, but that's too big to me. And I think मेरे events शुरू से 3 रहे हैं, and I try to give best in all the events. So मैं खेल पाई तो मैं जीत पाई, बट बहुत सारे लोगों के एक ही इवेंट्स होते हैं, तो उनके लिए भी इक्वली डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, इक्वली चैलेंजिंग होता है.
थैंक यू हमसे बात करने के लिए. उम्मीद करते हैं कि एक और मेडल आपके गले में ज़रूर है.
थैंक यू
धन्यवाद.